Games 2025 will be held in December. Okay?
The January
Yes,
2026.
so, no. Assuming for the sake of argument that many promising young Para Games will show face in this tournament, what are the preparations prepared by your association to compete in tournaments in 2021 as part of their preparations and training for the ASEAN Para Games in 2025? Ate, tatat para sa ito. Batang Pinoy is playing ground of future athletes. I am pretty sure and confident that heroes and heroines will surface in the Batang Pinoy in Parabanan. How can PSA help these new heroes and heroines sustain and preserve the decade in Batang Pinoy all the way to become national athletes?
Not only hosting the South Asian Shooting Championship, the name of the Philippines is to sustain in the Filipino shooters, live up to expectation for the country and satisfy Filipino fans who are hoping and praying for their success in the forthcoming South Asian Shooting Championship. Oh yeah.
Well, okay lang. So, how much the Philippine Sports Commission give as financial budget to World Dragon Ball?
Sa tingin ko, sasabihin ko sa iyo, confidential. Basta binibigay ng PSC yung request namin. Kasi pag sinabi ko, baka mag-selos ka eh. Di ba? So, confidential.
Triathlon. Hindi natin alam na may paddle pala, no? Hindi pa natin alam nun. Ako, hindi ko alam na may paddle.
Ayan, ikaw kayo siya kay Kanseger. Sinibyanan ka sa maraming tournament. Alam ko maraming pagbigay ng karangalan sa bansa. Now, gaano ka ba papasok ito? And ano ang right to do ng lupat na sila in terms of international competition? Well, good morning, Chito. Welcome to PSA. Apart from the South Asian Games, Philippines reigns supreme in East Asia Cup. Since 1999, I covered the 1999 edition in Chandigarh, India, where the Filipinos mercilessly, unforgivingly annihilated the opposition, including North India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Iran, and Palestine. Now, we dominated this tournament, second-class tournament in Asia, up to now, 2023. Now, can the Filipinos reaffirm their unquestioned match supremacy in the tournament?
Pwede pa, last na.
Call it that's, in the history of volleyball, it's only now volleyball in the country reached significant milestone under your leadership. Now, your goal not only to promote volleyball in the country, more tournaments in the country, is to develop and improve the quality of games of the Filipinos and enrich their experience. So, now, since you are preparing for the South Asian Games and other world-class competition, what is your perspective in Boston regarding the campaign of the Filipinos in the 2025 South Asian Games?
Nice siya talaga.
Kasi para sa'yo,
Wala! Uwian na! Late ka!
Isa tanong lang. Is Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, greatly influenced in this rock and roll running?
Alam mo, ang Elvis Presley natin, naka-Elvis Presley siya, 2 taon na. At ang costume niya, sa umaga, si Elvis Presley tumatakbo ng 21 or 42, tapos tumatakbo pa ulit ng 5 and 10 eh. Yung costume niya sa isang distance, iba. Magbibihis pa yan. Ng iba pa. Pero game na game siya, tinatapos niya yung karera niya. Minsan nandyan si Lady Gaga, minsan si, ano bang pangalan ito? Si Taylor Swift, si Ariana Grande, makikita mo dyan.
How about Rolling Stones?
Sino? So, hindi ko na inabutan so baka malamang. Baka malamang.
Kasi, it is under the law. Bakit ang PCSO in PAGCOR ang adamant in its trouble to remit certain portion of their income to Philippine Sports Commission? Anong dahilan? credit upon showing in Parasol, but still he failed to win medal of any color. And I'm very disappointed. The 100 million, till 110 million people are really disappointed to his performance, despite of the fact Urbina trained 40 years in Italy, trained for 1 month in Chula Vista. He won many tournaments in Europe as well in Asia. And the same players or the simple water he faced in those tournaments in Europe, I couldn't understand so much in fact on why Urbina failed to win medal of any color in Paris, despite of the fact they are the same players they resoundingly beat in those tournaments in Europe. What is the valid reason or the reason behind of the failure of Urbina in winning an Olympic medal? Philippine Sports Commission under your stewardship in partnership with the Olympic Committee President Bambal Tonito made a very significant milestone in the Olympic by winning 2 golds to process. And in the coming Olympics in LA, so how do you proceed right back of the Philippine campaign in LA, considering the fact that we have so many good athletes right now? So do you have the inkling or pahiwatig in Tagalog that we will surpass the goals in Los Angeles? The remarkable achievement of success of Pilas Pilipinas under 18 is amazing and shocking. Why shocking? Because this is not Southeast Asian competition, it's an Asian level competition. So now, as veteran coach, are you expecting or this success came with beyond expectation, or you were expecting it? I also surprised and surmised the game of Philippines against Maldives or Maldives. How do you pronounce it? 151-18. Well, I was also surprised that the players of Maldives is just beginning or learning the ABC in basketball. All of us Filipinos want our players to go a long, long way in attain success in various international sports competitions. Now, I am challenging you. Can your players do it in Chinese Taipei Jones Cup and as well as in the qualifying? You know, competition never stops. The drama in action never stops. Your players keep competing for the round. There are how many competitions your players compete before the year ends? These players have natural skill in basketball. They have all-around basketball craftsmanship. So, we are preparing for the 2025 Southeast Asian Games in Thailand. Are these players eligible to compete for the Philippines, just in case? You know, basketball is not your sport of the Philippines. The Philippines grace or embrace basketball like religion. Now, can your players sustain the success as long as you are there under your stewardship? I know you have comprehensive, effective, and long-term sustainable basketball program. Is the MVP Sports Club Foundation give its unwavering and undying support to your program? Presiding Chief and Philippine Olympic Committee President Bambol Tirino is to see a Filipino compete in the Olympics, and that is also your dream. And if my memory serves me right, there are 15 Filipino cyclists top part in the Olympics from 1964 all the way to 1982. And Norberto Coller is the last Filipino that competed in the Olympics in Barcelona, where he raced against the world top cyclists, including 7 times Tour de France champion Lance Armstrong. Now, 4 years from now, can we produce another cyclist to compete in the Olympics in 2028 Los Angeles edition? Good morning. My name is James Mariano. I'm from Filipino Mirror.
Hi, sir.
Well, I have so many questions to you, but unahin ko muna ito. Alright.
Sure, sir.
Kaloy, good morning. Para sa ito. Is there anything you are looking forward to in terms of your sponsorship or partnership with Arena Plus? You know kasi, yung mga pinanalo mo in previous tournaments, that was really a strong indication and good sign that you are going to win the precious medal. The code, I'm referring to the code, kaya mo bang ipanalo ito ngayon? You know, the 110 million Filipinos ay nananalangin na ikaw ay manalo. Because pag nanalo ka ng gold, this is historic
memorable, meaningful, and worth remembering because this is the year the Philippines celebrates its 100 years in the Olympics since 1924. Can you guarantee us that you can do it?
Sabi ko lang po kanina po, itatry ko po talaga yung lahat po ng makakaya ko. And susubukan ko po yung lahat po. Gusto ko rin po na makasali at maka-level po si Ate Heike Genius po.
Clay Mariano!
Wala ka na dito.
Oh, parang hindi ka matawag. Nagagalit.
Adjourn.
Philippine Sports Commission is the backbone of the national athletes competing in international competition, speaking of financial aspects. So now, the budget allocated by PSC to the delegation of Olympic is sufficiently enough to cover all the expenses in Paris. Last question, Chairman. You know, the increasing number of national sports associations under the umbrella of Philippine Olympic Committee will force PSC to increase the annual budget. So, what is your proposed budget for 2025? Patrick, you handled the thing for so many years, for so long, I knew that. So now, can you assure the 110 million Filipinos and as well as MVP that this will be a year for the Philippine team in Shabbat? Last question, Patrick. You know, is Mr. Manny Pangilinan in SPP headed by Alpaledio Friday something special just in case the team wins the golden medallion? No, wins the golden medallion? No.
Ang laging sinasabi namin no, sa mga players pati sa Gilas yan, nanalo muna tayo at saka na tayo
You know, Erica, ang goal at claim ng team to is to win the goal. Nothing more, nothing less. By all means, hope by God, we have to win the goal. To please and satisfy the Filipinos in the country. So, can you assure that this will again deliver the precious medal?
Again, no, that's up to the coaches and the players. And we can only hope for the best and support them in this endeavor.
This question is best.
Good morning, Mr. Ramos. Leaders of big international competitions might consider a continental competition course that involves New Zealand, Australia. So, well, the objective of your team, Philippines, is to win the physical to appease and satisfy the hometown crowd. Now, how many years, or how many months your players prepared in preparation for this tournament? It is, and how is the right future of your team in particular tournament? Your ultimate goal and objective is to promote and propagate global nationwide and to encourage one talents to indulge actively in football. So, how long sustainable is your grassroots program? Mr. Mariano, well, the primary reason, or the valid reason, Billy Mariano, the father of Billiard in the Philippines, is not only to provide billiard players regional income, but also discover young promising talents for future international competition. Do you continue to believe that your program serves as a breeding ground of future billiard players in the caliber of Efrain Bataries, Jan Bustamante, and Dennis Ongkon? There are countries.
Laban, Pilipinas!
Sa blooper yan.